Hey freelancers, ready to turn your passion into profit? Today, we're diving into the world of niche freelancing, where your unique skills can shine. Let's uncover the secrets to finding specialized opportunities that elevate your freelancing game. Step 1. Identify your passion. First up, identify your passion. What do you love doing? Writing, graphic design, coding? Your niche is your playground, and passion fuels success. Step 2. Research high-demand niches. Check platforms, forums, and industry trends. Look for where your skills intersect with what clients are searching for. Step 3. Craft a specialized profile. Highlight your expertise, showcase relevant projects, and let clients know you're the go-to person in your niche. Step 4. Network within your niche. Networking is key. Join communities, forums, and social groups related to your niche. Engage, share your insights, and watch the opportunities roll in. Step 5. Promote your niche expertise. Create content, share your knowledge, and let your unique voice be heard. It's not just about finding clients, it's about becoming a sought-after authority. There you have it, niche freelancing, where passion meets profit. Dive in, find your niche, and let your freelance journey soar. Subscribe for more tips and tricks to navigate the freelancing world.